How to fix not receiving a verification code on your Google account. So whether you're not receiving a verification code through text message or email, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is go and open up the settings on your phone, turn on the airplane mode, and then wait around 20 seconds. After 20 seconds have passed, you can then go and turn off airplane mode. You can then scroll down and click on Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. Now, if you're not receiving the verification code through email, you can try turning off the Wi-Fi, come back over to the previous window and click on Mobile Service. Make sure your mobile data is turned on like so. You can then click on your phone number underneath SIMs and make sure data roaming is switched on. Once you've done that, you can check to see if the verification code is now sending. If it's still not working and you're trying to receive the verification through Gmail, then just go and load up the Gmail app, click on the settings bar in the top left hand side, and then scroll all the way down and click on spam. Now sometimes the email may end up in this junk folder, so just go and check through here to make sure the verification code's not here. Now if it's still not working, then close out of this window and go and open up the settings on your phone. You could then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on apps, scroll all the way down again until you see the mail app and click on this, click on mail accounts, and then go and click on your Gmail account. Now we're just going to press the delete account button at the bottom and then press delete account. Now once it's been deleted, you can try re-adding your Gmail by clicking add account, click on choose from a list and select Google. You can then just go through the steps on the screen to log in to your Google account. Now if it's still not working, then use your finger to swipe down in the top right hand side of the screen and make sure do not disturb is turned off. So I'm going to click on this icon here and you can see at the moment it's turned on, so I'm just going to switch this to off. And once you've done that, you can check to see if you're now receiving verifications. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.